Hello everyone, this is my new car, which I earned with the help of cryptocurrency arbitrage. In this video, I will show you one of the new cryptocurrency arbitrage schemes. So watch the video till the end. In this video, I will teach you how to make money on Dogecoin arbitrage using the Orbit crypto exchange. The price of Dogecoin on the Orbit crypto exchange is over $0.077. As you can see on this exchange, the cryptocurrency rate is 10% higher than on Binance. Go to the exchange for replenishment. In the first time we replenish by 55,400 Dogecoin. Copy wallet addresses, go to Binance, paste wallet address, write amount, click on withdraw. A few minutes passed in, the money came to the balance. Now we are moving into trading to sell it all. Enter the entire amount that we have and click sell. Click on withdraw, select Tether. Go to Binance to copy your USDT address. Enter the entire amount for withdrawal. Click Withdraw now and wait for the confirmation of the transaction. A couple of minutes later, USDT was hastily brought to the finance exchange. We just made a 10% profit from one round on the difference in cryptocurrencies. This scheme will not be around for a long time. You need to use the scheme faster while it works.